Congratulations to the Houston Black Real Estate Association on your 74th biannual Installation Awards and Scholarship Gala. We appreciate you for your 74 years of service in the greater Houston and surrounding areas. You are leading in education and empowering minority communities to obtain the American dream, home ownership. From advocating for fair housing opportunities and fair lending laws, to community development and housing construction, to developing citywide free housing fair models and community-free financial education workshops, HBREA, you are involved. Your theme, Reset and Align for Greater, is most powerful with building strategic relationships to make affordable housing obtainable. The City of Houston is making long-term investments to make different types of housing affordable to the people across our city through programs like our Affordable Home Development Program, because sadly, Black borrowers are less likely to meet the traditional credit standards necessary to qualify for a mortgage. When I entered office, I vowed to increase the affordable home inventory in our great city by ensuring the homes are attainable for Houstonians earning up to 120% of the area median income. I also set the goal to add 3,000 single-family homes and 7,000 multifamily apartment units to our city's inventory. We are well on our way to that goal with single-family homes and have already met the 7,000 multifamily apartment unit goal. Again, I want to congratulate the realtors and give special recognition to the newly elected president, Felicia Guidry, chair of the board, Marla Lewis, past presidents Kimberly Barnes Henson, LaDonna Parker, Courtney Johnson Rose, John Guest, Gerald Womack, Andrea Cooksey, Ed Rowland, and so many more. You all are leaders in the real estate industry, and we appreciate the work that you do.